Anybody who knows even a little bit about me knows what a huge fan of yoga I am. I've been practicing yoga for many years. However, I'm not very consistent with my practice. I go for months together and not practice yoga, but somehow, some part of my life, I always reach out to yoga. That is the form of exercise that gives me the most balance in my life. At different parts of my life, I've done various things. I play a sport, I run, yoga and swimming and a lot of other things. But why do I always go back to yoga? Yoga is probably one of those very few exercises that connects your body, your breathing and your mind. Very few exercises do that. When you go to the gym or when you're running, you always have a goal and say, okay, I'm going to push myself to reach that goal. However, in yoga, remember that you actually can't push yourself to reach the goal. When you are in a pose and you want to go deeper into a pose, you actually have to work reverse. You have to learn to relax your muscles and relax your body. Only then you sink deeper into that pose. Yoga also provides you with a combination of exercises. Now, when a patient asks me, okay, what kind of exercise do I do and what do I really need? Now, here you have a combination, right? You have to keep your heart healthy, so that is cardiovascular exercise. You need muscle resistance to keep your muscles strong, and you need something for your mind and breathing. Now, yoga is again one of those few exercises that actually does all of this. For cardiovascular, you have your Surya Namaskars. You can decide how many you want to do, how fast you want to do. All the poses that you catch, that you hold, are all muscle strengthening exercises, be it the chair pose, the plank pose, and all the different yoga poses and names that you really can't pronounce, but they're all muscle strengthening exercises. And of course, all your pranayamas and kapalbhati, breathing exercises, meditation, chanting, all of this helps you relax your mind and gets rid of anxiety and stress. These are also great for people with respiratory problems, recurrent respiratory infections, asthma, and yoga and breathing exercises are excellent for that. Now, of course, I don't have to mention yoga and weight loss. It works wonders for weight loss. It improves your flexibility. So you are going to be one of those few people with, no backaches and knee pains as you get older. Remember that they say that you are only as young as the flexibility of your spine. And yoga is again one of those few exercises that's going to help you with your flexibility. It also actually suppresses appetite and in general makes you feel a sense of fulfillment and a sense of enjoyment after you finish your yoga classes. So I hope I have been able to sell yoga to all of you there who say that yoga is too easy for you, too boring for you. All I can say is that you have not challenged yourself enough with yoga. So take this challenge up, join a class or do some yoga and post on comments as to how you feel about it.